Okay, hi student. Can you see me? Hi, anybody can respond me? Can you see me? Okay, hi everyone. Student, you are online, is it? Can Okay, morning, Rina Pei. Okay, Charan, morning. Okay, you can see clear, is it? You see my PowerPoint and also can listen from me, is it? Okay, yes, Yiru. Okay, so we start today the exercise lah. That I give you the exercise. So I want to do the discussion. Okay, I think 1 hour I cannot finish lah. I around go to question 1 until question 8. So I just share my answer here. Okay, let we go to start our lesson. Okay, so the lesson should be the 1.2 resolution of the forces. Okay, we go to question number 1. So when I just ask, then you prepare your calculator. I think you are finished already, is it? You just show me the answer lah. You just type inside the chat room. Then we can faster to finish it. Okay, so first one, they want to find the horizontal and also the vertical component. So from here, we need to find out the forces. So this one is an incline the line with 20 Newton. So with the angle is 30 from the horizontal. Okay, so from here, we need to find out the horizontal and also the vertical. So the horizontal should be this part lah. So we go to draw first. This one is a vertical. This one is a horizontal. So we go to label first. One is a FY. Vertical, we call it is a Y. Then the horizontal, we call it as a X. Okay, so now we need to find out the answer. Okay, now you're going to see the FX. FX just beside the anchor. So beside anchor, we need to using cos or sine. Okay, please answer me. For the FX, we need to using cos or sine. Okay, we can find the answer from the student. Okay, for the FX. FX is a line beside the angle. So we go to check, is it using cos or sine? Okay, anybody? Okay, we just wait the answer from the student. Okay, Jia Yao answer cos. Okay, Lin Han also answer cos. Okay, so from here, the answer is a cos. When you just beside the angle. Okay, Alicia also say cos. So that means understood. Fy sure we using is a sine. Okay, so from here, I need to show answer first. Okay, if I want to find the Fy, so I put Fy equal. Then after that, you're going to see the triangle. Okay, when I put the Fy to go another side, this one is a one perpendicular triangle. Okay, one perpendicular triangle. So after that, this one anchor in the triangle. So from here, we find it, the whole triangle, the longest one is a 20 Newton. So we take Fx equal F cos 30. Okay, F is a whole triangle, the longest one. So this one is a F cos. So this one using cos. So from here, you press already the calculator, is it? Or you already finished, is it? You give me the answer for Fx. Okay, answer for the FX. Okay, answer from the FX. Remember unit, don't forget to label your unit. Okay, anybody else? Okay, 17.32 for Euro. Okay, we go to check. Okay, then Lin Han also same. Then Eric Chu also same. So we go and okay, this one using the FY using sign lah. So I show the answer. Okay, 17.32 Newton. And the next one should be, okay, next one, you're also correct. Okay, 17.32 Newton. Newton must capital N. Okay, then the next one for the sign must be, okay, correct. Okay, then we go to the Euro, say there's a 10 Newton. Okay, so from here we go to check. Yeah, there's a 10 Newton. Okay, for the sign part. Okay, so now we go to the another part. There is a question B. I think question one, but now this go to B. Okay, B. Now the line is come down. Okay, now the line is come down. Okay, so when the line just come down, the force is pulled downwards. When the force pull downwards, that means you also need to draw the two of the resolution of the forces. Okay, remember the two forces must be cover the force, must cover the 115 Newton force. Okay, now we go to draw. Okay, this one is a Fy. Sorry, this one is a Fx, this one is a Fy. Okay, then we go to label. Okay, so now I want straightforward. You give me the answer. I don't want to ask sine or cos already. So you give me the answer for Fx. Then what's the answer for Fy? Okay, morning, Lisa. Okay, give me the answer straightforward. You give me Fx how many? Fy how many? Okay, for the student you have finished. That means suppose you got answer already lah. Okay, just type there. Fx is how many? Fy is how many? Okay, we see how many students here. We got 26 is watching now. Okay. Okay, anybody can show me? Just press your calculator. Understood. Fy we using cos. Okay, Fy we using sine. Okay, now Euro give me the answer. Fy is a 106.07 Newton. Okay, we go to check Fx. Is it correct or not? Okay. Okay, Fy using sine. Okay, Fy using cos. Okay, so Yenru also give me the same answer. So we go to check. Okay, 106.07. Okay, that's a Newton, correct? So for the cos, also same. Okay, what situation both also same when you find 45? Because cos and sine 45 is the same answer. Okay, so from here we find it both also is the same answer. Okay, okay, then we go to the C. Okay, for the C also same. The force is go down, but this one is a 50 Newton, but the anchor is here already. So anchor is here, so this one become cos already. Then this one vertical becomes sine. So we go to check. Okay, this one is a Fx, this one is a Fy. So we bring the Fy go another side, then we go to find out. Okay, again, straightforward, give me the answer Fx and also Fy. Okay, Fx and also the Fy. Okay, Fx is 25 Newton. Okay, for the Euro, so Euro there's a 25 Newton. Then some more, Fy. Is it the Fy still the same? Fy cannot same already because this one is a 60. Okay, I just say 45 only. Okay, 60 cannot become the same. Okay, then give me the Fy is 43.30. Okay, we go to check. Okay, first one, okay, cos and also sine. Okay, 25 is correct. Euro is correct, 25 Newton. Okay, then the next one, Yuanru also correct. For the second one, F1, 43.30, or you just 43.3 also correct. Newton. Okay, Ling Han also correct. Jessica also correct. Okay, I think like this means no problem lah. The student know how to find the sine and cos. Okay, then we go to the next part. Okay, this one is second question. Okay, a man now they're pulling a 500 Newton oil drum, okay, with the force 100 Newton at the angle 30 degrees. Okay, calculate the horizontal and vertical component. Okay, I think this one paper you got already, is it? So anybody can answer me? You got, is it? Last lesson I upload, then you go to download, is it? Wow, so fast, Lisa. Wait. Lisa, wait. This one, Lisa is just now answered. Yeah, correct. 43.3 Newton. Okay. I think this one paper everybody got. Is it? Yanru? Last lesson, I already upload this paper, is it? Yes. So hopefully you got print out lah. For the student, you got printer. No printer one, you just see the question no, in your computer, then you write your answer. Okay, thank you. So from here, you need to calculate the horizontal and vertical component same. But this one got diagram only. So from here, they show there's a 30. So I go to draw. Okay, I need to draw the force. Okay, this one is a pulling force. Okay, pulling force. So this one pulling force is with anchor. So with anchor, that means we need to find the horizontal and vertical. We call it resolution. Okay, so from here, I go and draw the Fy. Then I draw the fx. So that means now the question they want to find the horizontal and vertical. So still the same thing, fx and fy. So answer please. I want fx and fy. Okay, faster to type. Okay, maybe one they type fx, another one they straightforward go to fy. So we can fast lah. So I think this one question is no problem for you because you know how to do already. Okay, important you know how to find out the fy and fx. Don't draw is wrong direction. Okay, so from here we get the answer from Yanru for the both answer fx and fy. Okay, so fx they told me there's a 86.6, fy is a 50 Newton. Okay, so we go to mark from here. Okay, Yanru answer. Okay, now we go and check. Okay, don't forget we still got one of the forces go down, is it? They say drum with the force 100. 100 is pulling. Sorry, 500 is pulling. Then the oil drum with the force 100 Newton at the 30 angle. Then calculate the horizontal and vertical. Okay, wait. Man pulling 500. Okay, 500 Newton oil drum is a weight. Okay, that's a weight. 500 is go down. Okay, after that, a force is 100 to pull. Okay, don't mistake. So from here, we go to check. Okay, 500 is pull down. Okay, answer. We check is it correct or not. Okay, Fy we're using cos, Fy using sine. Okay, the first one, Fy is a 86.6. Okay, correct. For the sine one, there's a 50 Newton. Okay, correct. For the student, answer me. Okay, Euro correct for the fx. Charan also correct. Then Charan for the fy also correct. So remember, and we're using capital letter. Okay, 50 Newton. Okay, then we continue to the second, the sub question. Okay, now it's B. What is the total downward force? They want total. Okay, just now you find the Fy already, is it? Fy just now the chart say 50 Newton. Okay, now you don't forget they got one of the weight to go down. Okay, they want to know what is the total downward force. Is it we plus or we go to minus? Okay, normally we take the biggest is a positive direction. So from here we take 500 is a positive direction. So that means now 500 you need to minus the Fy. Fy is the opposite direction. So from here, give me the answer. What is the total downward force? Okay, total downward force. Okay, anybody can answer? Total downward force. Okay, Jessica is 450 Newton. Yeah, correct. We just go to minus. So finally, we still acting downwards. So from here, total downward force is a W minus Fy. Okay, Charan also correct. Okay, Lim Jiawei also correct. Tan Jiawei. Okay, so from here 450, So we're going to check 500 plus. Actually, we plus. After that bracket negative because this one Fy in opposite direction. So from here, the answer is a 450 Newton. Okay, so everybody also good, can answer already. Okay, then we continue. Okay, question number 3. Okay, now the worker, they use the scraper to scrap open the from the wall. Okay, open from the wall. Now you need to calculate the vertical force and also horizontal force. Still the same thing. Okay, now we need to show the force. You go to scrap the wall first. Okay, the force is a 12 Newton. Okay, Lisa, correct, for the just now answer. Okay, now the force is acting up. Okay, you can see the direction. Okay, so from here, the anchor is this part. So I need to resolution for the two forces. Okay, must start from the horizontal, the ori point. This one is a ori point. So that means my forces must start from Fy, then go to left hand side is a Fx. Okay, so this one is a Fy, then this one is a Fx. Okay, then the anchor is a 36. Okay, so I can move my Fy to come here. Then you can see one of the triangle is a perpendicular. So I go to label first. This one is a Fx, this one is a Fy. Okay, again, straightforward. Give me the answer. What is the vertical force and what is the horizontal force acting on the wall? Okay, you can straightforward to type the two answer, Fy and also Fx. Okay, we see which one is the first one. First come, first serve. Okay, Fx and Fy. So these all questions almost the same lah. They ask vertical and also the horizontal force. Okay, make sure you understand what means of vertical, what means of horizontal. Okay, now this one anchor is here, so Fx should be opposite. So Fx we're using a sign. Fy, when I just bring to another side, there's a beside. So we're using cos. Okay, Yenru give me the answer already. Fx is 9.71 Newton. Fy is 7.05. Okay, we go to chat. Sorry. Okay, answer. Okay, Nixon also give the same thing. Okay, so from here we go to chat. Okay, 19.71. Why I got 19? Okay, I think I missed already because every student also can count, is it? So I put extra 19 already. Okay, 12 cos 36. Okay, I pressed wrong already. 12 cos 36. 9.71. So I extra. So I go to change first. Later you cannot see. Okay, I go to change first. 9. So another one correct or not? Another one 7.0. Yeah, correct. Okay. So I show back my answer. 9.71 Newton for the Fy. For Fy or Fx? Fy we using see opposite already. So I change back. This one should be my Fy using cos, is it? Okay, Fy is 9.7. Fx is a sine. Where's the Fx? Okay, this one is my Fx using the sine. 12 sine 36. Sine 36. So 7.05. There's a Fx. So there's a Fy. Okay, is it Fy 9.71? Fx or Fy? Have I labeled the wrong thing? This one is Fy, is it? So Fy, when I put here, they're using cos. So this one is a Fx, is it? Fx using sine. So Ling Han 9.71, that one is a Fx or Fy? Everybody write Fx. Okay, is it Fx is a sine or cos? So have I labeled wrong thing? Okay, 36 is here. The Fy is another side. The Fy is here. So the Fy should be the cos lah, is it? So this one should be Fy lah, is it? So Fx is the opposite the direction. So this one should be fx should be the sign, correct or not? Okay, Jessica, can you write the correct answer for me? Fy is how many? Fx is how many? Many terbalik. Why you all just copy answer, is it? You see, Nixon also terbalik. Fx is a cos. Fx is a cos. Hello, Nixon. Can you see the fx is opposite direction? Okay, or fx is a 12 sine 36. Yeah, correct. So the fx answer? Okay, yeah. So my answer should be correct lah, Jessica, is it? Nixon write all the thing is wrong. Go to do the correction, So I need to show back. Maybe you mistake lah when you see the line. Okay, because so many X, so many Y. Okay, so I repeat again. This one should be the Fy. This one should be the Fx. Okay, so the Fx is opposite 36. So the Fx we using sine. This one using sine. So the Fy we using cos. So I go to label. Fy, cos. Okay, Fx is a sine. So from here I go to show my answer. Fy is a F cos 36. So from here is a 12 cos 36. So the answer is 9.71. Okay, correct, Jessica. Okay, how about the Fx? Okay, Fx is a sine 36. Okay, so from here, the answer is a 7.053. Okay, many of you terbalik already, Fx and also the Fy. Okay, so this one should be the correct answer. Okay, so from here, cara don't gaduh, This a mistake only, Okay, so from here we go and go through another one. Okay, question number 4. Okay, a man now they pull the luggage. Okay, pull the luggage. Okay, pull, that means the force is go up. With the force is 6.2 Newton at the angle 25 to the horizontal. So that means we're going to see the diagram. Excuse me. Okay, let's see the diagram. Okay, pull. Okay, you need to draw yourself if they never show you any diagram. So that means now the force is pull. Pull means go up. Okay, pull is go up. So from here, okay, so from here we go and pull up. This one is 6.2 Newton. Okay, the angle 25 to the horizontal means the horizontal is a down. This one should be 25. Okay, the question told you already where's the angle. So from here, this one is Fy. This one is Fx. So the angle is 25. Okay, the diagram should be like this lah. Then you depend yourself how to draw. Okay, don't forget to tell you the luggage is 4.6 kg. So remember the weight is always go down. Okay, the weight is go down. So from here, the weight is go down. So we go to label. Okay, this one Fy, this one Fx. So this one should be 25. Then the weight is 46 Newton go down. Okay, So from here, we go and check. Find the horizontal component of the force. Okay, there's just one horizontal. So just horizontal means Fx only, is it? So I want the answer from you. What is Fx? Okay. Okay, anybody? Okay, I want to answer for Fx. They want horizontal only. The question they will ask vertical. So we just answer horizontal lah. Okay, anybody can answer? See, be careful, using sine or cos, Okay. I forget to unpin. Okay, I go to unpin first. Okay, so you can see now, very clear the diagram. Okay, the diagram is there. So you find me the answer for the Fx. Okay, what is the Fx? Okay, Charan, faster to type your answer. Okay, Yuanru, they say 5.619. Okay, make sure using cos. So we go to check. Okay, so the answer 6.2 cos 25. Okay, I also scared I mistake because sometimes we see the fx, fy is very blur already. So from here we see the answer. Okay, correct. 5.619 Newton. Okay, so this one just for horizontal. Okay, only for the horizontal. Okay, 5.62 also correct. Okay, also correct for the next one. Okay, Hari, hi Hari, you come already. So the answer 5.619 Newton. Okay, correct. Okay, then we go to the next part. They want to calculate the acceleration of the luggage. Okay, acceleration. So that means acceleration must related to the fx, correct or not? Don't tell me acceleration related to the fy. That means the luggage never lift up one. So the luggage must go forward. So from here, I want your answer from acceleration. So what formula we need to use? We're using Newton's second law, F equal ma. Okay, I want the answer from acceleration. Okay, Lisa, correct? Just now the answer, 5.62. Okay, now we go to the B already. Acceleration of the luggage. That means the luggage move how fast? They want to know the acceleration. When you're using the forward force, 5.62 to put it. Okay, so depends. Some student they using 5.62, some student using 5.619. So later your answer maybe some decimal point will be different. Okay, but we still accepted. Okay, anybody can answer? Acceleration. Okay, okay, we're still waiting. Maybe the line was slow a bit. Okay, Nixon show me 1.22 ms, negative 2, not 2, okay. So, only Nixon. Okay, so we go to show first. Okay, we check, Okay, F equal MA is it? So I take 5.619. Okay, 5.619. Okay, so after that equal to 4.6, there's a M, then we find the A. Okay, so the A, then we go to check what's the answer for the A. Okay, Nixon, you just forget the negative 2 only. The rest is okay. Okay, 1.22. Okay, MS negative 2. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so we continue to the next part. Okay, C. Same question now is a C. Okay, now they assume no friction one, so we just ignore the friction. So calculate the speed of the luggage after being pulled from rest for 1.15 second. Okay, so from here we need to know the information. The question they want to find speed. Okay, speed means the final velocity. Okay, when starting is how? When starting is a rest. Okay, the time taken is 1.15 second. Okay, so now we need to know what is the velocity. Okay, so just now you find acceleration already, so I bring here. So from here we show the info. Initial velocity is 0. Final velocity we do know. Then the time taken is 1.15. Then the acceleration just now we find it 1.22. Okay, now I want to find velocity. So please, how to find it? Okay, which one equation you can use it to find V? We got four equation, from 4 you learn already. Four equation, remember? V equal U plus AT. Second one is S equal UT plus S equal V plus U divided by 2 multiplied with the T. Okay, third equation is S equal UT plus half AT square. Okay, and the last one is a V square equal U square plus 2AS. That one is a 4 equation. So from here, I want to find the V. Okay, you tell me what equation you want to use. Okay, show me the equation. Which one equation you want to use? So anybody still remember the 4 equation? Forget already, is it? Many of you. The form for what we learned from the chapter 2. Chapter 2, the motion. Wow, so fast. Straightforward, give me answer 1.4. Hey, hello, this one is a velocity. How come your answer is a -2? Okay, Tanjawe give me the correct answer already. They're using this formula. V equal U plus AT. That one is the first equation. So we go to try. Is it correct or not? Okay. Okay. Yenru, if you give me this UT plus half AT squared, that means got displacement. From here, we don't have any displacement. So this one cannot use. Okay, we can using the first one only, V equal U plus AT, because the whole situation we don't have displacement. Okay, so from here, we're going to check. Okay, V equal U plus AT. Okay, V equal U is a rest, there's a 0, plus AT. Okay, A is 1.22, just now we find already. Then 1.15. Okay, it's a time taken. So from here, we get the answer is a 1.403. Okay, correct or not? So you check, you check correct or not? Okay, 1.73. You take 1.22, multiply 1.15. So we get the answer 1.403 ms -1. Okay, next one, not -2, there's a -1. Okay, then question 4 we finish. Then we continue to the next. Okay, 4 again, but now they say if the friction, okay, friction between the luggage and the floor is 1.3 Newton. So remember friction, how to draw. The friction is always opposite direction for the effects. Effect is go forward, so the friction must go to the backwards. Now we need to calculate the acceleration of the luggage and also the speed after 1.15 seconds. Okay, this one just now we find already. Effect is a 5.619. Okay, now I go to show the friction. Okay, I show my friction. Okay, friction in opposite direction. So the friction from here is how many? Okay, friction is 1.3 Newton. So that means later we need to minus the friction to find the acceleration. Agree, yeah? So I show my formula first. Oh, wait, okay. Okay, my formula like this. Okay, I take the horizontal force, that means the Fx, 5.619 minus 1.3. So this one is a resultant force for the horizontal equal MA. So we're using same formula, F equal MA. So from here, after I minus, I need to divide 4.6. So you tell me what is your answer. Okay, I want the acceleration. So that means finally, although they got friction, the luggage still moving forward because the effect is a bigger. Okay, because you get positive answer. So that means the luggage still move forward. Okay, what is the acceleration from this question? Okay, anybody can answer it? Okay, 0.939. Okay, we check. Okay, that's correct. Okay, from the Nixon unit is a correct -2. Okay, 0.9389 or 939 or 94. Okay, 0.94 also correct. Okay, Jessica also correct. Ling Han also correct. Okay, Yiru also correct. Okay, now we go to the another part of the luggage and also speed. They want to know the speed. Okay, what's the formula for the speed? Anybody can answer me? Formula for the speed. I don't want to ask formula for the speed. We ask about formula for acceleration. Formula for the acceleration. Acceleration, the formula is what divided by what? Okay, acceleration, the formula is... Okay, you just type there. You show me the formula for acceleration. So anybody know? Okay, V minus U over T, correct? Okay, but now, okay, the question just want to find speed only. So we don't care V or U lah. So from here, you got acceleration already. So that means I can find the speed. Agree? Okay, we use the formula acceleration to find the speed. So V, okay, V minus U, we just ignore. We just take there's a 1V only. So V over T equal A. So you want to find the V, so you take A multiply with the T. Okay, so Ling Han, now you give me the answer for acceleration, for the speed. Okay, acceleration we get already. You give me the answer for the speed. Okay, what is the speed after 1.15 second? Okay, just apply just now formula they show you. Nixon show already, Ling Han also show already. So from there, you just straightforward to find what's the answer for the speed. Okay, anybody you know, you also can type here. Okay, we're still waiting. Answer for the speed. Okay, next one, speed, we never using ms negative 2. We're still using ms negative 1. That one is a speed. Unit is wrong. Okay, we're going to check the answer, is it correct or not. Okay, speed equal A multiplied with the T. So A, if I'm using 0.9389, then I go to multiply 1.15. Okay, the answer is oh no. Nixon, your answer is not match. Okay, I want the second answer. Okay, second student, give me the answer. Okay, acceleration, that's a correct already. Okay, although you take 0.393. Okay, 0.393 multiply 1.15. So there's still 1.08. Okay, Nixon, do some correction. Okay, the speed. Ling Han, can you get the same answer? 1.08. Okay, the speed. Hello, the others. Okay, euro is correct. 1.08 ms negative 1. Okay, so that means Nixon do correction. So that means you do the calculation is wrong already. Okay, so from here I pin the answer from euro. Okay, that's 1.08. Okay, Sharon also correct. Okay, Ling Han, speed equal 1.08. Okay, correct. Okay, so thank you for your answer. Okay, then we go to the next question, number 5. Okay, based on the diagram, okay, we need to calculate the magnitude of the resultant force that act on the raft. Okay, I want to know the value, okay, for the resultant force. Okay, so from here you can see the force, they got incline and also with angle. So I need to find out the resolution. Okay, okay, for this one, the situation, for the magnitude, for the resultant force. Okay, resultant force. So from here we need to draw the line. Okay, so we got two forces acting upwards. Okay, so from here, we go and find out the forces. Okay, now, I think this one question got a little bit problem. When I just mentioned, I never see about the anchor. So you help me to do some correction. Okay, first part, because two anchor is a different. So from here, we cannot say FY1 and FY2 should be the same. Okay, so I need to do some correction from here. Okay, I need to change first. Okay, you also help me to do the calculation. Okay, the resultant force. So we cannot say Fy plus F2 already. I need to change. Okay, all the thing from here I need to change. So I need to show the vertical force. Okay, so from here we show vertical force. Okay, vertical force is a Fy1 plus Fy2. That's correct. So from here, I need to say the 4,500. Okay, there's a cost. Okay, for the first one, there's a cost. Another one is a 500 cost 20. Okay, so this one called vertical force. So we find it, the vertical force is a 8,595.57. Okay, but this one not resultant force. Okay, resultant force is still got left and also the right, is it? So from here, we need some time to solve this answer. So we do the Fy first. This one is a vertical forces. So I need to do another one. So I need to do another part. There's a 12, this part. Okay, there's a horizontal. Horizontal forces. So horizontal forces should be X. Then this one also must be X. Okay, so we got horizontal here, X1. Then this one should be the X2. Okay, now we need to write horizontal X1 is how many? Horizontal X1 is a 4,500 sine 30. Okay, so another one is a horizontal. Also, there's a 500, 5,000. There's a sine 20. Okay, but this one is minus. Okay, are you sure minus? Because this one in opposite direction. Okay, you can see that in opposite direction. Okay, so from here, I need to show out. Okay, I need to show out. Okay, I go to Zoom first. Okay, I need to show out what's the answer from here. Okay, so you are very fast one. You show me the answer. So later I go to press the calculator. So 30. You help me to check is it correct or not. Okay, minus 5,000 sine 20. Okay, this one is a 1710. Okay, now the total horizontal, that means the total fx. Okay, 2250 minus 1710. So become 540 Newton. Okay, correct or not? So this one is a horizontal. Just now that one is a vertical. So we still not yet finished. Okay, we still want to continue. Okay, so from here, resultant force. So I add one more part. So this all thing I do want already. I want to find the resultant force only. So I go to delete. Wait, delete first. So finally, I still got vertical part. Okay, just now the vertical is up. So we draw up. Okay. So another one is a horizontal. Horizontal is a 540. They go to the left hand side is a bigger. So we left this part. Okay, finally we just left two forces. Okay, the rest don't want already. Okay, the rest we just label this one Fy. Okay, then this one should be the Fx. Okay, understood lah? Okay, so the rest don't want. Okay, so 30 degree also don't want. So now we left the Fx is a 540 Newton. Okay, how about the Fy? Just now we do the calculation already. There's 8,000 something. So we put here. Okay, so now this one is the forces after minus. Okay, until here understand or not? Until here understand or not? Okay, if not, I go to repeat some more. I want to repeat just now what we do. Okay, this one, the question they ask resultant force, is it? Okay, if the question asks about the resultant force, means I need to find the net force. Okay, the problem is the anchor is different. Okay, the anchor is different. That means we cannot say fx and fx we cancel. No, we cannot cancel because the force is a difference. Okay, so now this one's a 4,500 Newton. This one's a 5,000 Newton. They're also different. So from here we can say the Fy and Fy2 they need to plus together because the direction should be the same. Okay, and the question never mention about the weight, is it? Okay, the question never mention the weight, so we just ignore lah. We just assume these two is pulling. Okay, so from here we find it the vertical forces is how many? Fy1 plus Fy2. So Fy1 is how many? Fy1 is pulling up, is it? So this one is a cos. So we're using 4,500 cos 30. So Fy2 is a pulling up also. So that means they want a 5,000 cos 20. Okay, after do the calculation, then we plus together lah. So that means this one is a final force acting upwards. That's a vertical one. Okay, then after that we go to the second part. Okay, second part we got the horizontal line. Okay, the horizontal line, now we go and see the horizontal line. We got two forces also. Okay, so this one should be the minus. Okay, two forces also. One is a fx, go to left hand side. One. This one is a fx, two, go to right hand side. So from here, for the left hand side, this one is a sine. Okay, so we're using 4,500 sine 30. So another one also go to right hand side, also is a sine. So 5,000 sine 20. So I press my calculator. For the sine 30, the first one, x1, I get 2250. For the another x2, I get 1,710. So after I minus, I still got 540 Newton. Go to left hand side. Okay, so the student, you have me to check, is it my calculation correct or not? Because sometimes we press calculator too fast already. So we don't know that's exactly correct or not. Okay, so 5,000 sine 20. Okay, correct, 1710. So we go to minus. Okay, so the answer is 540 Newton. Go to the left because left is a bigger. So that means now it's the last part. Okay, this one's the last part. Go to the left, 540. Then go to the up, is 8,000 something. So from here, can we find the resultant force? Okay, anybody here? Straightforward, show me the answer for the resultant force. Okay, the resultant force means there is the final forces to pull the raft. Okay, so from here, please show me the answer. Okay, so using theorem by Hercules to solve the problem. Okay, so from here, I want the answer. So I waiting for you lah. I also do here. Then I wait your answer also. So I need to show my answer. Okay, by using the concept theorem by Hercules. So the student, please help me to show the answer. Okay, anybody just know, then you just type inside the chat box. Then we check. Okay, I need to show theorem by Hercules, is it? So from here, I need to say the resultant force equal. Okay, there should be 540 square, is it? So we plus first. Okay, then we got another one is too large already. Okay, this one is 8595.57. Okay, remember go to square. Then I need to go to square. square. This one go to square. Okay, got any student answer? Sorry. Okay, still not yet, so we wait the student to answer me. Square. Okay, so should be like this, your formula. Okay, resultant force 540 into square, then the vertical one you also go to square, after that square root. So we go to press the calculator. Square plus 58985.57 square. Okay, then we go to square root answer. Okay, so I get the answer is okay. So anybody, before I type, you can tell me what's your answer. Okay, so I hope I correct lah. So I just like show. Okay. Yeah, correct. Jessica Ho. Maybe the behind got a little bit changes lah because we're using the decimal point, is it? So this one should be the final resultant force. So you see, we must very careful, Maybe we do some mistake. Okay? Because just now the angle is a different. So angle just different and the forces different, that means all changes. We cannot plus together already. Okay, understand, so you can go after this one lesson, you can recall back. Okay, recall back what we do for this question. Okay, now we continue to the next part. Next part already is a question 6. Okay, now the gardener that pushed 2,500 Newton. Okay, concrete roller with the force 200 Newton. They pull down. Pull means push means the arrow is go down. So we're going to find out pushing down. Okay, so we go to resolution for the horizontal and vertical. So from here, I straightforward to show you because we just left 8 minutes. Okay, so from here, okay, Fx and Fy. Okay, the force, they got told you the force, gardener pushing. Okay, concrete roller is a 2,500 Newton. So from here, we find that this one is a weight. Okay, answer for the horizontal, there's a Fx. So Fx, we're using the cos. So we find it, the answer is a 108.93. Okay, how about the Fy? Fy we get already. This one is a vertical. So Fx is a cos. Fx is a cos. Fy is a sine. So from here we get it. The answer is 167.73. Okay, hopefully the answer is correct. Okay, so from here we go to the next part. Okay, we go to the next part. There's B. If the gardener they go to pull the handle, pull, just now it push, now it's pull. Okay, if pull means the arrow is up. Okay, arrow is up when we do the resolution. Okay, they become like this. Now the Fy is up already. Okay, Fx is go to the left, then the weight still the same. Okay, the angle still the same, there's a 33. Okay, now we go to answer. They want to find what? Same forces in the reverse direction. What is the total downward force? So the total downward force means the weight you need to minus the Fy. Okay, Fy just now we find already. So from here, Fy just now is a 108.93. Okay, so that means the weight need to minus. So total downward force is a weight minus Fy. So 2,500 minus 108.93. So we get it, total downward force is a 2,391.07 Newton. Okay, so got any problem? Is it my answer correct or not? Okay, anybody can answer me? You can get this answer or not for the total downward force. Okay, we see the student can answer or not. Okay, anybody can answer me? For this question, you okay or not? You can find 2391.07. Okay, Yuru, correct. Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, then we continue to the C. Okay, in which direction pushing or pulling would more effective in pressing the glass? Okay, Yanru, thank you. Okay, which one is better? Pushing and pulling. Which one is better? You want to pressing the glass. Okay, what's the difference? Pulling, the Fy is up. Pushing, the Fy is down. Now you want to press the glass. So better sure is a pressing lah, is it? Okay, if you want to take the luggage, luggage we want to pulling because you want to reduce the force acting downwards. You want the luggage more lighter. So you need to using the weight minus Fy. Okay, but now is concrete roller, they want to press the glass. Okay, when they want to press the glass, sure they want to more forces acting downwards. So from here we go to choose pushing force. Okay, why? Because you see the pushing force is 2,500 is a weight plus the Fy. Fy is go down, is it? There's a 2,600 something. Okay, so from here we can find it. Total downward force in pushing is a greater than the pulling. Pulling only 2,391. Yeah, correct, Ling Han. Pushing is a good. Okay, for this one situation. So from here, we can make a conclusion. Pushing force is a more effective in pressing the glass. Okay, if this one question 1 mark, then you just can answer pushing. Okay, if the question is 2 marks, that means you need to explain. Okay, you need to show pushing is how many, then you need to show the pulling is how many. So finally, you compare. Okay, that one is how to get the 2 marks. Okay, then we go to 7. Okay, we still got one more. Okay, 7 is Eric and Darren. They are pulling the trolley with their sister. Okay, down the Tina is sitting. Both Eric and Darren, they pull the rope with the forces 50 Newton. Both also 50 Newton. Both also 30. Like this, very easy. We no need to separate to do. Okay, which makes the anchor is 30 to the direction of the motion. If the total mass of the Tina and also the trolley is 30 kg, then the friction between the trolley and the floor is a 40 Newton. What is the total force towards left? Okay, go to the left means a horizontal. Okay, we got two forces go to the left. Okay, let's see here. This one is a pulling. Okay, then we go and see the vertical. Vertical, we go up. Fy is up. Then the Fx is go to the left hand side. So another force also create the same thing. Okay, one force is go down, vertical. Then another force also go to the left. So we find it, we got two forces go to the left, is it? So they ask you what is the total forces towards to the left. Okay, so from here, if I just plus the two Fx, is it correct or not? Okay, don't forget, we got one of the friction. Okay, we still got one of the friction and behind. So that means you need to minus. Okay, so from here we go to find the Fx first. Okay, for the answer, total forces toward to the left is a 2Fx minus 40 Newton. Okay, so from here the Fx we're using cos lah, is it? Be just beside the 30 angle only. So 50 cos 30. Remember times 2 because we got 2Fx. Okay, after that we need to minus 40 Newton. Okay, so from here your answer is 46.6 Newton. Okay, can get it for the A or not? Okay, make sure you can get the answer. Okay, and check my answer, is it correct or not? Because sometimes we do some mistake, we don't know. Cos 30 times 2 minus 40. Okay, we check already, 46.6. Okay, then we go to the B, the acceleration of the Tina and also the trolley. Okay, so anybody can answer me the B. Okay, I want to know acceleration. Okay, acceleration means related. Okay, thank you, Yiru. Okay, now you go to give me the answer for B. Okay, give me the answer for B, acceleration. Okay, acceleration means finally the trolley still move in front, go to the left. So that means we're still using the F equal ma to to find the answer for the A. Okay. Anybody can straightforward give me the answer for the A? Okay. Already 11. Because later we still got one more question. Okay. So from here we get the answer 1.553. Okay, we're going to check. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Another part show here. Okay, so 46.6 over 30. 30 is what? 30 is a kilograms. Okay, so from here 1.553 ms negative 2. Okay, correct, huh? Okay, Steve Chua, no answer. So remember put the answer up. No unit. Okay, remember put the unit. Huh? Okay, so from here we go to the next part. Okay, this one's a question 8, the last one. Huh? Okay, now the carton of the mass 50 Newton. Oh, sorry, it's a weight 50 Newton. Mass is a 5 kilogram. It's at the rest means balance. On the inclined plane, making an angle is a 15 degree with the horizontal. Now sketch the component of the weight parallel to the plane. Okay, they want to draw one parallel forces to the plane. Another one is a component of the weight perpendicular. So horizontal one parallel one sure is a fx lah. Another component perpendicular one sure is a fy. Okay, so on the diagram and the normal reaction. Remember normal reaction always go up. Okay, this one is a weight. So we need to resolution. So from here we start weight is go down. Okay, remember normal reaction is 90 degree with the object. So we go to draw. Okay, this one is a horizontal because they say one parallel with the plane. So we starting point, so we draw one parallel. Okay, now we draw the normal reaction. Normal reaction is up. So another one, they say component of the weight perpendicular to the plane. This one is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so I go to label. This one is a R, normal reaction. This one is a Fy. Fy is a component perpendicular to the plane. Okay, this one is a parallel to the plane. So we got Fx, we got R, we got Fy, we got Mg. That's a weight. So understood. The question they mentioned already, this one is equilibrium. That's a rest. So that means the friction and Fx sure is the same because in opposite direction. Okay, and the object is a rest. So understood the friction and Fx must equal. Okay, another thing is R and Fy must be the same. Okay, because there's a balance. Okay, now this one is the first question I sketched already. Okay, now we need to go another question. Okay, find the frictional force and also the normal force acting to the surface. Okay, normal force means normal reaction. So from here, you need to find the friction. That means you find Fx. You want to find the normal force, mean the normal reaction. You need to find Fy. Okay, so last already. So please give me the answer for friction is how many, and also the normal force is how many. Okay, give me the A. Give me the answer for the B. Okay, friction is how many? Friction is a Fx lah. Okay, this one is an angle 15. So Fx, if you bring down, there should be sine. Okay, Fy is beside the angle, so we're using cos. Okay, so you straightforward give me the answer for frictional force is how many. Another one should be the normal force is how many. Okay, so I just wait your answer. So this one is the last question already for today's discussion. So anybody can answer me? Okay, we just wait. Okay, you just find the friction and you find the normal reaction by using the formula. Okay, from here we get the answer for Euro. Okay, we're going to check. Okay, Fx is using the sine. So 12.94 Newton. Okay, correct for the first one. Okay, Fy we're using cos 48.30 Newton. Okay, correct. Perfect. Okay, Yuan Ru also correct. Okay, so this one should be the answer. Okay. Yuanru, I think you terbalik already, is it? FX is using the sign. Okay, so the FX should be 12.94. FY should be 48.30. So you reverse the answer already. Okay, reverse the label. Okay, sign cost maybe you terbalik already. So you give the wrong answer. Okay, so from here we go to the okay, finally we still can until finish. So the rest we still got question 9 until question 12, is it? So I will discuss for the next lesson. Okay. So from here, okay, don't forget the next lesson. I want to continue the section B. That means the following question. Okay, for the student you still not yet to download, can remember go to download. You can go to the description for the YouTube. Okay, YouTube down they got one comment part, is it got description, is it? So I got link, I got put the link there. That means you can go there, click the link. After that you go to download the question. Okay, question 1 until question 12. Okay, for the student you just finished, that means you can try this question. Now this one is an essay question for the physics. Okay, so from here, don't forget to subscribe my channel. For the students that still not yet subscribed, for the student you subscribe already, just thank you very much. Okay, so our lesson just until here lah. So thank you for your watching. Thank you for your patience to see the question, to see the calculation here. So hopefully you understand what is the resolution. Yeah, Charan asked me the question already because I got one of the Google form. I want you to fill in. Inside got 20 questions about the resolution of the forces. Okay, so inside got one of the code. So you need to answer the code. For the student, don't leave first. I told you the code first. I forget already the code is how many. I'm going to see first. Okay, today the code. Okay, hashtag. Okay, Ling Han, you help me to type. Hashtag, then Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year using short form only. CNY, capital letter. Don't space. When you just space, that means you're wrong already. Don't straightforward go to space, then hashtag. No need to space anything. Just type. Hashtag CNY. C capital letter, N capital letter, Y capital letter. After that, 2021. Okay, Lincoln, can you help to type? I go to type also. Wait, I go to type here. Hashtag. Okay, I go to find first. Hashtag. After the capital letter C and Y. Okay, after that number 2021. Okay, so this one is a 2-day code. Yeah, correct. Lincoln, that's a correct. So I share for you already the code. So you can go to answer the Google form as today attendance. Okay. So Charan, okay. So don't type here only. You need to type inside the Google form. Okay. Remember, don't space and also capital letter. Okay, so today lesson just until here. So thank you everybody to attend my class. So we see you from the next week lah. So today is the last already. So for the next week. Okay, bye. Bye everybody. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Siti. Okay, bye everyone. Okay, bye. Bye, Hari. Okay, bye, Charan. Bye, Jessica. Okay, Ling Han, welcome. Lisa, bye. Okay, bye everyone. So we just close it.